Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's begin with opening the dialer. Start with your contacts, find the contact which you'd like to block and tap on it. And then tap on more options here, the 4 dots icon. As you can see here, we've got this option block contact, so just tap on it. I don't know what happened. I didn't want to share it, I wanted to block it. All right. Okay, I thought that something went wrong, but that was just a misclick. As you can see here, we've got this information, which means that the number has been blocked successfully, so we will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. You can unblock it the same way, right here, remove from blacklist, but let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. So now, to open the blacklist, we have to open the phone. So let's tap on the dialer actually, and tap on the 4 dots icon in the right upper corner. And then let's go to blocked. And here we've got a call and message block rules, which you can customize. It's completely up to you whether you'd like to block incoming calls or not. All we have to do here, to be honest, is to enter the settings in the right upper corner. And here, finally, we've got the blacklist. So as you can see, it's really hidden for some reason. I have no idea why. So that's the number we blocked from our contacts, and the previous option also works, as you can see. Here we've got also this plus icon, so we can add the phone number manually, block prefix, add from contacts again, call log or messages. So here we can add manually. As you can see, we can enter the number. We do not have to have it saved on the contact list. All right, so just enter it and tap on OK, and as you can see, it has been immediately applied here, which means that we blocked the calls and messages from this number. If you wish to unblock the number, just tap on it and hold it. And now mark all the, maybe not all, mark the contacts which you'd like to unblock and tap on remove. Tap on remove, and as you can see, they will be immediately unblocked. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.